Yo, it's ODB from OLP. This is going to be a quick one. I want to do an unboxing of sorts. And I want to give a huge shout out to somebody who's really kind of rolled under the OLP umbrella for a while since he met us back in the day. He's always looked out for us. He's helped us at shows and he's doing his own brand. I typically won't do a lot of these kind of shout out unboxings for any brands that we may not work closely with, like a Hammered Weekend Wear, like a Garage Gear Clothing. But I felt that I wanted to do it kind of more as a friend than anything, and he's a good kid. I call him a kid. Huge shout out to Scraping the Coast and Phoenix Forged. I'm going to try to point. If I just look over there, I'll be able to do it. If I try to do it backwards, I can't. The way my brain works. Phoenix Forge made us those amazing spinning OLP billet aluminum awards for our 2025 shows. So huge shout out to Phoenix, F-E-N-I-X Forged, as well as our title sponsor, Scraping the Coast. So who am I giving a shout out to? This guy right here. I want to give a huge shout out to the big homie Ryan. We met years ago, and believe it or not, some of these cars that you see in here, when we first met, Ryan says, yo, ODB, Hank Norris is who I call him sometimes. He hooked me up with a lot of these Back to the Future cars. We kind of did some wheeling and dealing, some horse trading, if you will. So Ryan, I always appreciate you for that. You're always looking out with the BTTF content for my Back to the Future Legacy account. But Ryan hit me up over the summer and says, yo, ODB, you probably know, but I know your Lincoln Addict podcast, you partner with Griots. I had Nick on that Lincoln Addict podcast. He talked about why they're the best detailing products in the industry. And believe it or not, somehow this one flew under my radar. They put out, this is Nick's 63 on an air freshener. Okay. Can't believe Nick didn't text me. Every so often, Nick and I, who now he's the leader over at Griots, will text. And of course, got to thank Joey Romuto, the OG, up in the Meridian area years ago. Of course, Heather won Crew Cut, but Joey and I have been friends 25 plus now. And Joey linked me up with Griots back in the day. So that got Nick on, and we partnered with, or we continue to partner with Lincoln Addict Podcast. So thanks, Ryan, for looking out. Now, the other thing is, Ryan sent me a bunch of stickers. So if you know ODB, know me, I love stickers, and Lowered Syndicate is his brand. So I'm going to show you this right now before I go through these. And I'm going to tell you in just a minute, towards the end of this video, I'm going to keep it short, I promise. I'm going to tell you why I'm giving them such a huge shout out. Okay, so if we scroll right here, this is Instagram, so I can easily sign in here via my browser window, if you will. And Ryan has Lowered_Syndicate. Okay, he puts out some really cool stuff. I believe he also gets his hands dirty and helps print these, which is super cool. He's partnered with us a couple times. He's always very kind. He'll always give credit, which I appreciate. And you know, he posts some cool stuff. It's not just mini trucks, it's his overall brand, Lowered Syndicate. So I want to tip my cap. If you want to, if nothing else, go follow him. You can check out his site, but it's Lowered_Syndicate. Now let's go through some of these stickers now that you know the brand that we're talking about. And again, he is awesome, dude. Now you got to remember, if you've been listening to the podcast for any length of time, you'll know that we always shouted out Graphics with an X Mafia. Okay, that's his pops, and he's good people. Hey, buddy. I last saw Buddy, believe it or not, at Eastbound Get Down. And Eastbound Get Down is Mike and John's show. And that's every January in Ormond Beach at, quote, Destination Daytona. That's the name of the complex. So Ryan is living his dreams. And I'm going to show you a couple more things, and then I'll tell you why I'm giving him a huge shout out. So again, this is just a friendly shout out to our kinfolk, Ryan. And if I remember correctly, that's Jay's Dime from Severed, Florida. Very cool vibe. Nice shirts. And this is Gildan, which I definitely appreciate. You can never have too many shirts, especially, God, you know, you think about, why do I have so many shirts sometimes, or why do I buy certain things? And it's when you're out, right? You want to represent kind of that lifestyle, right? Which says it on our hat. And that's what Ryan's done with kind of what he's got here: red, white, and blue. But although it's white, red, and blue, Lowered Syndicate. This one's kind of a cool thing. You saw that logo that plays into the donut deal. And thanks again, Ryan, Lowered Syndicate. Right here. Biggity boom. Some cool design. Something a little bit different. Now, this is why I'm giving him a huge shout out. Ryan texted me recently and he goes, "Yo, ODB, it's Hank Jr." He said, "I see what you're doing. I love what you've continued to do all these years." But he said, "This is what really resonated with me, and I appreciate him for it." We always tried to treat Ryan the best we could, right? The little homie, we would take him to shows and he would help us, right? We'd reciprocate. And we always tried to have him kind of under our wing, man. For a minute with the Silverado, I said, "Yo, come roll with us, come hang out with us." And he's a good kid, man, and that's what I love about our scene when he said, "Yo, Ballard, yo, ODB, I appreciate you always looking out for me, taking me to shows. Some of these shows I could have only dreamed of going to. And you guys kind of let me roll with you and help out and things like that." And it meant a lot, right? I'm not looking for anything out of it, but I say this time and time again. I know some of you have realized this. Yes, there's the Justin Wyatts out there, which, by the way, he has a show Fair Enough every September. The Justin Wyatts might have a son or two that wants to get into mini trucking, or they've shown interest, but it's not every day. And I know some of you have kids that want to get into it. The Justin and Eli's of the world, with their families at Twin States. They're highly kind of a hot rod family, but it's not every day that we're seeing the younger generation really take hold and get a stronghold in this scene, right? Or cruising a mini truck. There are some, don't get me wrong, but I think back to the late 80s coming out of the BMX era. Not that it ended then, but many of us, when we were 14, 15, 16, into the 90s, like I was, we retired our bike at least for that time because we're like, yo, now we're going to cruise in our car or truck for the honeys, right? We can't pick up honeys unless you're Crew Jones on a bicycle. But with all that being said, back in the day, it seemed like it resonated more. There's a lot of younger kids, I think, that end up, with a car that they don't run to the stereo shop and get a CD player installed, right? Because they're like, well, number one, who has a CD player? But number two, with all these infotainment systems and things like that, I mean, are kids really customizing? I do think there's probably more kids in the lifted scene and the other scene that I won't talk about, but it's just not every day. For Ryan to really kind of say, yo, he loves this stuff. He has a lower truck. He's ingrained in the scene. I appreciate him for that. So a little longer than I expected. Again, shout out to Nick and team at Griots, but thanks for Ryan for hooking me up with these air fresheners. They're going to go in my display case over there. One probably on the Lincoln. You never know. Stay on the rise and show these younger generation that we appreciate them. Much love and respect, ODB, and give your homies the flowers they're due for all the hard work they put in, all the stuff they help you with. Let them know that you appreciate them. We out ya.